Oh my God!
Help me! Somebody help me! Please help me!
We have to hurry.
Help! Please help!
Hey, you! What's going on?
Please help, she is in danger. She is in that house, please help.
Okay, I will help you. We have to hurry.
Yes!
You sit up here.
Go, go, go!
Come on, let's go! Oh my God!
Help me!
Okay, I will tape the wound for you.
Hey, what's up? Are you okay? How's things? Okay.
Thank you! I'm sorry. Yes!
Goodbye.
Bye-bye! La 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 la
Oh my God!
You have been arrested. Run.
Stop! Stop! Come on, let's go! Cool! No! Oh my God! Help! Please help!
Bye-bye!
A few moments later.
Hey! Hey, where you going? Hey, what's up?
Hey, you! Hey! Hey, you!
Are you in there?
Hey, you! Are you okay?
I'm not sure.
Let's go!
Hey, where you going?
Help me! Somebody help me! Please help me!
What's going on?
Help! Help me! Please help me!
Here.
Thank you.
What's going on?
How's things? Hey, how's it going? Okay, okay. Hey, come on, let's go.
Go, go, go!
Cool. No way. Hey, what's your name? Hey, where you going? Are you sure?
Hey! Oh my God!
You have been arrested.
A few moments later.
Hey, you!
I caught it.
Yay!
Thank you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What are you gonna do? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No way! Thank you, thank you!
Goodbye.
Stop! Stop! Come on, let's go. Hey, stop!
Help me!
Cool. Help! Please help!
Somebody help me! Please help me!
Yeah, 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 yeah.
What are we gonna do?
No!
Hey, you! Hey! Are you okay?
We have to hurry. She is in danger.
A few moments later.
Hey, you! How is the baby doctor?
I want to tell you this.
She is healthy and walking normally.
Ha! Yeah!
Thank you.
Hey! It's okay, it was a
Hey, how's it going?
Okay, okay!
Hey, come on, let's go.
Go, go, go!
You have been arrested.
interesting.
A few moments later.
Hey, you!
I caught it.
Yay!
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Okay. Goodbye.
Ole!
Do you want to play soccer?
Yeah.
Ole!
Come on, let's go.
Yes!
Come on, let's go.
Here we go.
Hey, come back. Cool.
Hey!
Let's go!
Hey, you! What are we gonna do? Hey, you! Are you okay?
Help me!
You sit up here.
We have to hurry. You will get well.
A few moments later.
Children's Hospital.
Hey! I want to tell you this. He is healthy.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What do you mean to do? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I apologize.
It's okay, it was an accident.
One day later.
Let's sit down and rest for a while.
Oh my god!
Stop! Stop!
A few moments later.
What's going on?
Hey. Hey, what's up?
Why is the baby abandoned here? We must
Come on, let's go.
to the police station.
Here we go!
Hey, you! Hey!
What's going on?
Ooh!
The baby is beautiful. I
Cool.
wonder if the baby is healthy.
Okay.
Baby is very healthy.
Bye. Come on, let's go.
Bye bye! Yes! La 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 la.
A few moments later.
Way to go!
Oh, it hurts so bad!
Help! Please
I
help!
wonder if the baby is healthy.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, you! What's going on?
My child is lost. If you see it, let me know.
Follow me.
Ole!
A few moments later.
Thank you! Good!
Cool. Wow. Goodbye.
Okay, here we go.
Wow! What about that?
That's so cool!
Stop! Where you going? Hey, what's up?
Help me!
Hey, how's it going? Come back! Hey!
What's going on?
Okay, I will help you.
Here we go! Hey, you!
Thank you. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Money! Money! Money!
A few moments later.
Where is she? Money! 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 Money!
What are we gonna do?
Come on, let's go.
Yay!
Cool. Help! Please help! Are you okay?
What's going on?
Okay, I will help you.
You sit up here.
Here we go.
Hey, you!
A few moments later.
I'm sorry.
Be careful when going out.
Thank you. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. Yes.